Hello friends, according to this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. But here we use V BODMAS rule. First we solve vinculum. Vinculum stands for bar. And then after we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for order. We convert it into of multiplication and then square roots, cube roots and exponent. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. Now the first step, vinculum, bar bracket, solve the operation under the bar brackets. Now there is a 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Now the expression becomes 150 of 30% minus square bracket 12 percentage. Calculate the percentage of the number. There is a 150 multiply of 30%. Now we'll calculate 30 upon 100 multiplied by 150. Now equals to, cut it down the zeros, and after multiplying we'll get 45. The expression becomes 45 minus 12 divided by 8 minus 4. Now the third step, division inside the brackets. Now solve the division within the square brackets. There is a 12 divided by 8 equals to 1.5. And after the subtraction inside the bracket, complete the operation inside the bracket. Now 1.5 minus 4 equals to 2.5. But after that we put the sign of minus because we have a 4, have a larger digit. Now the expression becomes 45 minus 2.5. Now final subtraction. Subtracting the negative number is the same as adding. Now 45 minus will get plus 2.5 and after 47.5. So this is the final correct answer. Expression, the conclusion says to solve these problems accurately you must follow the V BODMAS hierarchy. The most critical part are addressing vinculum, bar. So, and maintaining the multiplication before subtraction, priority inside the bracket. So, I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.